try to be as quiet as possible. I actually didn't have to pop any holes. It's warm enough outside. I just kicked them open, or I kicked one open. Once it gets more light outside, I'll be able to see what other ones I can kick open. But as for right now, I'm going to toss out gold tungsten with a piece of plastic. I have nothing for electronics in this hole. I got my camera, but it's too dark to see right now. I should be sitting right on top of some fish, so we're gonna see what happens. This place was littered with people yesterday afternoon. I got out here early enough to be the first one. But anyway, what's up, tallywhackers? We're out fishing again. Fishing in the morning time, early morning before the sun comes up. I'm trying to beat the crowd. It's gonna be a gorgeous day. A lot of the lakes around me don't have good ice. This lake has good ice, I'm surprised actually. Good 6 inches or so. Nice clear ice. But anyway, we're gonna try and catch some fish. I had a tip from somebody. I don't know if he's a buddy or what, but an acquaintance of a buddy on Facebook, and was kind enough to share. It's always really nice. I felt him hit. Oh, just a little crappie. Just a baby. This place got piss pounded yesterday, and I bet you a lot of the nice fish got taken out of here. First fish, little black crappie guy. Before the sun came up. I mean, this place was piss pounded yesterday. There was 7 people right here in this one spot. The reel's all messed up. I don't know what I did. What is that? Tiniest crappie ever. Crushed it though. 2 small crappie so far. It's not ideal. It's better than nothing. Better than nothing. 2 fish before the sun came up. That ain't bad, really. That keeper. Oh, I don't know. He came off. You're gonna have to calm down, dude. Drives me nuts. I can't even pick it up yet. Won't calm down. Calm down, dude. It'll make me get up. He flopped clear over there. Bunch of crappie right now in the morning, though. We'll say that. I think I might keep that feller. He ain't very big, but he's gonna feed. He's gonna eat well. Hey, it's starting to lighten up. Oh, yay. Gosh, that ice is just... As soon as that sun started coming up. That's crazy how that happens. As soon as that sun comes up a little bit further, we'll move over here and get the camera down. Boy, a lot of people's been fishing this right here. There's so many holes. You can only imagine some of the good fish that came out of here before I even found it. Ooh, bigger fish here. Didn't even know he was on there. Ah, a little bass. Wonder how many times this guy's been caught past couple days. Who knows? Get out of here, bud. Didn't even notice he was there. Just picked up my rod and he was on there. We'll mess around with this for a little bit longer. Then we're going to switch to the tungsten and waxworm. Little guy. Oh, a little bluegill. Huh. Little bluegill. I'm gonna have to get me a better one of these inline reels. Straight line reels, whatever you call them. I like it, but I don't like the quality of this one. Was it a Fabril? Whatever the heck you say that, I don't even know. Alright. Let's get set up. Sun's coming up far enough. I think I might be able to see with my camera. That is a lot of fish. Holy cow. I mean, there's just, I don't know, a lot. Let's see if we can pick off a couple of these guys. I don't know. A lot of them look small, but man, there's a lot of them. Try the tungsten and waxworm. This guy here just ain't cutting it. They're interested and they're hungry. Come on, crappie guy. Missed him. I'll put him away for right now. I've only got one fish on the ice that I'm keeping so far. See if we can add to the pile. Come on, guy. You sucker. Won't quite take it. Come on, crappie dudes. Screw it. Let's hook a bass for a second. They like to eat. They come out of nowhere too. Gosh, damn, dude, come on. Man, stop. Just destroys my waxworm every time. Take my waxworm. How did you do that? The thing was threaded on there. How's that even possible? Was that a perch? Is that a perch guy? Oh yeah, perch guy. Dang it. Come on, dude. He had it for a second. And he had it for a second. I can't tell when they're facing away from me like that. It makes it hard. There's one. It's just a tiny guy. I have a feeling that's what we're going to catch today. This thing got piss pounded yesterday pretty damn hard, so I can't imagine catching anything decent. What the fuck is that? Is that why they're scared? No, can't be. No way, dude. This big old bass gonna bite this thing? It's not even a big bass, but he came in like he was. Got him. Little guy. Ooh, he's a fighter though. Ooh. Little dude. Oh, he got caught earlier. Looks like he's been caught yesterday or something. I don't know. Fattest guy so far. Oh, what'd you do that for, asshole? It's not very nice. Get wet. Seems like this dude's getting the bigger fish. Get a lot more interest. Ooh, fat-shouldered crappie. Let's go. Bass, dude. Dude. What are you doing? Just stop, man. Just stop. So hard to make him calm down for just a second. There's another bass right there. Not that I want to catch a bunch of small bass, but it's better than nothing. That's actually a bigger one right there. Well, I got set up a little bit here. A different area. Probably the same school of fish, but different area. Sometimes it helps a little bit. So we'll dip down in there and see if we can pop a few out of this hole. Looks like I got about an hour and a half left on my SD card, which is probably plenty. Go back to the waxworm and tungsten. Sun's about to pop over them trees, and as soon as that happens, I ain't gonna be able to see my camera, and I do not have a flasher with me, so see if we can get some fish coming in. What's that? Oh, another bass. Might as well catch him, get him out of here, but you're gonna have to sit still, dude. Come on, bud. So annoying. Alright, bass guy. Bye. Got a lot of bass in the past couple days. This late ice, though, it's always pretty good. It's usually pretty good. Not always. Sucker. Gotta wait for him to hit it the right. Oh, man, he's in my freaking camera. He came out. Is he worth keeping? I don't know. Let this little feather go. Yeah, another one. What is this one? I didn't even see it on the camera. Oh. He's got some length to him, but he's not very fat. Not very fat at all. I'm gonna let him go. He came out of nowhere. I wasn't even looking. He must not have hesitated. Just came right in and hammered it. Oh, what's that? The bass guy? How'd I miss that one? Huh. Don't know how I missed that one. It's all the way in his mouth. Well, we're catching fish at least. Nothing spectacular. Only got one keeper in the sled, and I don't even know if it's probably not going to be enough. He might end up being bait for springtime catfish. Gosh dang, man. Takes forever to hook one of these guys. Ooh, nice gill. I don't know. Is it? Why are they thin? Yeah, I'll keep him. Screw it, he'll eat. It's hard to see the screen. The sun is in my eyes. And I did not bring my hut or nothing. I'm not expecting to be out here too much longer, actually. This will be a little short video, I think, to kick off the 2023-2024 ice fishing season. They're all coming from the bottom, so I'm actually going to see if I can get this camera down just a little bit further. I think I seen that. Just gotta figure out where my lure's at. These guys just don't stop. You don't know how to stop. There, came off. Dropped it down just a little bit further. Ooh, that looks like a nice gill. Big old tall forehead on that feller. Come on, guy, I want to see how big you are. Oh, there's another one right there. Come on. Ah, he's tiny. Not the one I was looking at. That's for darn sure. They just keep coming out of the ice. That sun's just too much right now. I'm gonna have to pack up and go. There's a car coming down here as we speak, so let him have the spot. It's no big deal. There's one. These gills are just different looking dudes. Ton of them though. Man, they just keep coming in. One right after another. As soon as I get it down there. And I'm having a real hard time seeing where down there is. Should probably just pack up and go. I just want to do one more gill guy and I'll get out of here. Been out here for about 2 hours. Watch the sun come up, and that's always nice. Go find some other things to do. Oh, I see a fish. Oh, gonna be my last fish of the day. Ooh, Pretty dude. What is that guy? What the heck is that thing? It's not a bluegill, is it? A weird looking bluegill guy. God dang it. I don't like doing that to fish. Come on, man. I don't know. He's got some weird markings on him. Well, that was a lot of them all of a sudden. Ooh, crappie? Well, he came in hot. Didn't get it though. What's that? Bass? Yep, bass guy. The tiniest bass today. Let that dude go. The hardest part about this is getting this thing down without a flasher at the right depth. That has been difficult because I can't see where the crap. Wasn't the best outing ever, but it wasn't too bad. Wish I would have caught some decent crappie to take home, but I did not, and that's just the way it goes sometimes. So get out ice fishing a little bit more. But until next time, thanks for watching Tally Go.